Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to solve a very common problem: how to find a specific person on Fiverr when you only know their username. It can be quite frustrating. Maybe a friend recommended a great freelancer, or you saw someone's profile mentioned on social media. You have their username, but when you go to the Fiverr website and type it into the main search bar, you get a bunch of random gigs, or worse, nothing relevant at all. This is because the main search function on Fiverr is built to look for services and keywords, not for specific user profiles. So, how do you get around this? Don't worry, there's a very simple and direct trick that works every single time, as long as you have the correct username. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. This is the only method you will ever need. First, and this is the most crucial step, you need to have the person's exact Fiverr username. You must get the spelling absolutely correct. Double-check for any numbers, underscores, or special characters. Even a single letter being off will cause this method to fail. Once you are confident you have the correct username written down, the next step is to open a web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you like to use. Now, look at the very top of your browser window for the address bar, which is where you would normally type in a website address. Here comes the simple trick. In that address bar, you are going to type the following: fiverr.com followed immediately by a // symbol. So that's fiverr.com/. Do not press enter just yet. Right after that slash, with no spaces, you need to type the exact username of the freelancer you want to find. For example, if the username you are looking for is pro_writer99, the full address in your browser bar should look like this: fiverr.com/pro_writer99. Once you have that typed in correctly, all you have to do is press the enter key on your keyboard. Your browser will instantly load that person's specific Fiverr profile page. You'll be able to see all of their gigs, their ratings, and reviews, and their profile description. It's a direct link right to them. What happens if you get an error page, something that says 404 not found? This almost always means one of two things. Either there is a typo in the username you entered, so go back and check the spelling carefully, or that user profile no longer exists on Fiverr. So remember, don't waste your time trying to guess keywords in the main search bar. Just use this direct URL trick. I really hope this quick guide was helpful and saves you some time. Finding the right person to work with should be a simple process. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tips and tricks like this one. See you in the next video.